guys.
Good evening.
Good evening.
First of all, I will cover the topic SharePoint. So SharePoint, our agenda is SharePoint. Why SharePoint? The journey so far. Top 6 benefits of SharePoint. OneDrive was SharePoint. So lots of people are confused between the storage of OneDrive and the storage of SharePoint. And also we'll focus on SharePoint 2016 areas, cloud-inspired infrastructure and migration approach to SharePoint 2016. Why SharePoint? So SharePoint will allow various teams, organization effectively information creating intranet. SharePoint, it's an intranet. Okay, you can through SharePoint you can share your documents. Okay, and also you can collaborate with easily translate, increase productivity. You can start conversation on your intranet. And if I'll give an example, suppose Foetron is an intranet. Okay, we are using Foetron, so we can create a subsite called हम उसके एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं, जैसे हमारी टीम्स हैं, हम डिपार्टमेंट वाइज सबसाइट्स बना सकते हैं, जैसे हमारी सपोर्ट टीम्स, वीआरटी, क्लाउड फर्स्ट टीम, राइट. एंड शेयरपॉइंट के अंदर हमें 1 TB की बेसलाइन स्टोरेज मिलती है जो टेनेंट पे होती है. इफ आपके पास 20 बिजनेस एसेंशियल्स हैं तो आपकी जो वन ड्राइव की स्टोरेज होगी वो 1 TB होती है पर यूजर की, लेकिन शेयरपॉइंट की जो स्टोरेज होती है वो आपके टेनेंट पे होती है 1 TB, प्लस आपको 500 MB की एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेज मिलती है पर यूजर. So this is the journey of SharePoint, right? It is introduced in 2001, okay, and here are the 2003, 6, 9, and currently we are in 2016, the latest version.